In the previous video, we looked at this dynamic save search. We looked at criteria, results, and highlighting data. In this save search, we will be looking at adding a formula to the save search. If you haven't seen it, look in the description to watch the previous video. Okay, so let's jump into this. So in this save search, I'm going to edit this one. Okay, so it's editing and we're going down to the results. And the first thing we want to look for is the following field, formula. And I'm going to look formula text. I'm going to click on formula text. And the next thing I want to do is go straight to formula over here. So I'm going to expand this. Okay, so here is my actual formula. So you click on the expansion. And the first thing I want to do is actually do a case statement. So a case statement saying, if it's this, then do this, else do that. Okay, so I'm going to take one that I've previously built, and the case statement looks like this. Okay, so the case is saying when the customer credit limit is greater than 1,000, then show the following. The customer is in deep, and then else the customer is doing fine. Okay, so where did I get that from? In order for me to add that field, you can always click on this, find the field, and it always will add the field to the actual box over here in the formula. And then you can copy that field and obviously put it where you want it. Okay, like I'm doing there. Okay, so I got the credit limit like we usually do by going by the customer. And then there's my actual case statement in there. Okay, so I'm going to click on set and add. And then you always want to actually give a formula field a custom label, because otherwise it's just going to say formula text, which isn't very appealing. So I'm going to say customer status is my field called. And what I want to do is actually move this up a bit and put it next to the credit limit. And the next thing I want to do is just click on save and run. And that should give me my results. Brilliant. So there I can see there's my customer status. The one is showing the customer is doing fine, and the other one is showing that this customer is not doing that well. So there is my actual field over there. And that's how you actually add formulas to your save search. Thank you. If you found that video useful and would like to learn more about save searches and how to limit them to certain audiences and email the results to somebody specific, consider watching the next video right here.